Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications here, I started one Telegram group as well as a Facebook group. So both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, the UGC released one official notice regarding the faculty requirement for the UG courses. Okay, under the Swayam. So it is a official notice, guys, released on 11th Feb 2021. So let us see the details regarding this public notice. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. So it is an expression of interest for developing UG undergraduate MOOCs for Swayam. So click on this one, then you will be directed to the notice. Yeah, it is the notice, guys, that you may check down here. So it is official public notice. So the candidates who wants to develop the MOOC courses for the UG, okay, for the UG under the Swayam, then you can express your interest. Let us see the eligibility conditions and all these things clearly in this video. Okay, so UGC-wide public notice dated 3/9/2020 invited expression of interest for development of high quality MOOCs, that is massive open online courses in 171 courses in 6 subjects of humanities and social science, that is history, political science, commerce, sociology, public administration and anthropology at a UG level from higher education institutions and academicians. In addition to the above, expression of interest is now invited from eligible faculty in 191 courses from humanities and social sciences streams, geography, psychology, economics, English, Hindi and Sanskrit, and 155 courses from the science stream, that is chemistry, computer science, mathematics, physics and environmental science at UG level. And if you want to give the proposal, then you may go to this link, guys. Okay, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So we will go to that link. Okay, the development of MOOCs for Swayam will help the faculty in capacity building by ICT for teaching learning purpose and also help them in improving their academic score for career progression as per the UGC regulations on minimum qualifications for the appointment of teachers and other academic staff in universities and colleges and measures for the maintenance of standards in higher education 2018. So I think that there will be no separate remuneration for the preparing of these MOOC courses under the Swayam, but your appraisal form score will be increases, okay, and there will be very more benefit to you if you want to be selected, okay, in any some reputed universities or the colleges, okay, and your what we call your score, okay, your academic score will be increases. Fine. Okay, let us see the details regarding this Swayam, guys. Okay, yeah. So it is an expression of interest. So proposals are invited from eligible faculty for development and offering of online courses through Swayam for different undergraduate and the postgraduate programs. Here the introduction is given and the scope of work is given here. So EOI is invited the eligible faculty members, and now also it is inviting the eligible faculty members for preparation of the 196 UG courses, right? Sorry, 194 courses, okay, from the humanities and social science and 155 courses from the science stream. Okay, so this many number of courses, and here the Swayam is having the 4 quadrants and similar to the classroom courses that are divided into the various units. So Swayam courses are divided into the various modules. Each module covers a section of the syllabus. A module consists of 25 to 30 minutes of video broken into 3 to 4 small length videos, and a continuous video lecture of longer duration may be avoided. It is difficult for a student to keep concentrated for more than 10 to 15 minutes in one stretch. Okay, so these are the different points are given here. You may go through, guys. I will show you the eligibility condition here. Applicant should be faculty member in a duly recognized institute or university or college, holding PhD and having a minimum of 5 years of teaching experience in the concerned discipline. And the faculty employed in university or college would be required to submit a consent letter of the host university to offer the online course through Swayam. And here the few guidelines are given, you may go through, and here the financial norms are given, guys, so you may check down financial norms. See, guys, preparation of TLM, assessment, presentations, online reference material, etc., including transcript for 40 hours course material, so 1.5, and on-camera presentation by SME at the rate 5,000 rupees per module, that is 2 lakh. So like that, here the some financial norms for development of MOOCs are given here, so that you may check down clearly, guys. Okay. And the submission of proposal, if you want to submit, here the proposal is given here, so you may go through this one. Okay. So anyhow, once please go through all these details very clearly, guys. If you're having the PhD in the concerned discipline with total 5 years of teaching experience, then you may apply to this one. Okay, I will provide the necessary links in the description box of this video, so you may go through this one, guys. Okay. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.